In today's video, I'll show you how to open zip game files on your Android device quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your phone. In the search bar, type ZArchiver. This is the app we'll use to extract the game files. Once you find it, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After installing, tap Open to launch the app. You'll see a list of all the files and folders on your device. Now, locate the folder where your zip game file is stored. In my case, it's inside the Downloads folder, so I'll open that. Once you find the zip file, tap on it and select Extract to. The app will create a new folder with the same name as the zip file and place all the extracted game files inside it. If your game file is an APK, you can tap on it to install the game directly. If it's another type of file, you may need a specific emulator to run it. And that's it. You've successfully extracted your zip game file on Android. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.